My name's John, and in this presentation I'll show you how to set custom options with Transend Migrator. What you see right here is Transend Migrator. You're at the default screen, and it's been configured to migrate a single user. There might be some things that you want to change and to alter the behavior of how your migration happens, or maybe you just want to change things with logging. Go up to Migration Options and Custom Options, and notice that we have topics for the different email types, and as well as a general section to cover all migrations. And if your email system is not listed on here, it's probably supported by one of these types as well, such as IMAP or Inbox, or maybe something in the general section. But go ahead and remember, before you begin your project, review the source and target email system or the topic here to see if there's anything else that you want to set, and always look at the general section to see if there's anything else that you want to set. There's a lot of options. There's hundreds in here to choose from. Sometimes people, when they migrate to a target system, they want to keep migrated data separate from the original data. So maybe you want to migrate all the folders and message folders and whatnot into a different group name. This group name switches for that. You can just call this section migrated, and then all your data will go into the separate section, separate from the original data or the native data from that target system. There's all kinds of options in here. And if you're not sure what you're looking for, maybe type in a name. Go down here to the search window, and maybe you want to put in, how about the word top? And I'll search. And notice I have 1 of 4 results. And we have the group name is the top. Next, there's another switch with the result of top. That's one way to find switches that are related to your migration, but you're not necessarily sure what the switch is or exactly what you're looking for. So go ahead and just search for it. When you're in this general section, go down here and look at the filters and logging. These are some important areas that people like to set. You can migrate by date range for all items, or maybe specifically for messages, or only for calendars, or only for tasks. Set attachment size. If in your reporting you can log different informations. You can turn off logging. Say if you're troubleshooting a certain problem, you can put in the debug logging in here, and you'll collect more information in the log file that you'll know what to do with. But it helps with tech support in helping us try to understand any problem that may happen with your project. And also your report level. Those are some good options. You in your XML report, you may want to get more than a summary. So maybe change the level of the report to a different level. Notice I can enable this switch, say okay, yeah, give me this report, and then look at the value here. You can choose 1 or 2, and so the higher the number, the more detail that you'll get in report. So you notice you'll have different options. Some options need values, and that's how you add options and custom options to your project. When you've enabled everything and you're ready to go, maybe you want to review what you've done. Click on the View Enabled Options button, and you'll see a little list here of what options are enabled. If you want to clear everything, go ahead and click on the Clear Enabled Options button, and all those options will now be removed. That's how you set options within Transend Migrator. Thanks for watching.